Now let us see exercise 3.1. Question number 1 is simple, you can do it. Now see question number 2. How many diagonals each of the following have? First is a convex quadrilateral. Now a convex quadrilateral, in earlier video we have seen that what is convex quadrilateral. Convex quadrilateral means what? Whose all the diagonals are in the interior of the quadrilateral. Okay, that quadrilateral we can say it is a convex quadrilateral. Okay, now see, we have drawn this. How many diagonals are there? See, this one and this is 2, so 2 diagonals. Now a regular hexagon. Okay, regular hexagon means what? All the sides of the hexagon should be equal. Okay, you must be confusing that here it is regular hexagon and here it is irregular. So you can see here the sides of the hexagons are not equal. Okay, so see, regular hexagon means the side of the hexagon are equal. Now see how many diagonals are there. See, this is 1. Okay, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5. See, this is 6, this is 7. Okay, this is 8 and this is 9. So total 9 diagonals are there in regular hexagon. Now what about triangle? See, triangle, in triangle no diagonals are there, so in triangle no diagonal is there. Okay, now see next question. See question 4. Examine and solve. The number of side of a polygon is given and you have to find the angle sum. Okay, now see here in this table we have seen that the number of sides are given and angle sum property how to find. Means in general, if it is n sided polygon, then angle sum should be n minus 2 into 180 degree. So here polygon is of 7 sides. Sides of a polygon is 7. Okay, means n is equal to 7. So angle sum property by formula it is n minus 2 into 180 degree. So 7 minus 2 into 180 degree, that is 7 minus 2 is 5 into 180 is equal to 900 degree. Now see, similarly here number of sides of a polygon is given 10, means n is equal to 10. So angle sum by formula is n minus 2 into 180 degree. N is 10, so put up the value of n. So 10 minus 2 is 8. 8 into 180 degree, it is 1440 degree. Okay, in similar way you have to solve other examples also. Now see, find the angle measure x in the following. Now see, this diagram is given. See, this angle is 30 degree, this angle is x, this angle is x, and here it is nothing is given, but we have marked here 1 and 2. Okay, the exterior angle is 70 degree here and here it is 60 degree. Now we have to find the measure angle x. Okay, now see, we don't have angle 1 and 2, so first we have to find the angle 1 and 2. Okay, so by linear pair we know that, see, these are linear pair. Okay, we know the sum of the linear pair is 180 degree. So angle 1 is equal to 180 minus 70, that is 110, and angle 2 in by linear pair itself, 180 minus 60 is equal to 120 degree. Okay, so by linear pair we got angle 1 and angle 2, means now we are having these two angles also, and now we want to find the x. Now see, this is 5-sided figure, so we should find the angle sum for this. So the number of side of polygon is 5. See, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5-sided polygon. So angle sum for 5-sided polygon is 5 minus 2 into 180 degree. So 5 minus 2 is 3 into 180, that is 540 degree. So angle sum also we are having. Okay, so 30 plus x plus 110 plus 120 plus x is equal to 540 degree. So 2x plus 260 is equal to 540 degree. So 2x is equal to 540 minus 260 degree. So 2x is equal to 280 degree. So x is equal to 280 degree upon 2, that is x is equal to 140 degree. And see, you can see both the x are equal. So x is 140 degree. Okay. Now see next from question number 6. See next D. See this. This is also a pentagon. This is also a pentagon, a regular pentagon. See, all the sides are equal. Again, number of sides 5. So angle sum is 5 minus 2 into 180, that is 3 into 180, that is 540. Simply add all this. X is equal to 540. 5x is equal to 540. X is equal to 540 upon 5. So x is equal to 108, not 18. 108. 5 ones are 5 zeros are 0. So 4 is here and 5 eights are 40. So x is 108 degree. Now see next question. Question number 7. What is the question here? Find x plus y plus z plus w. Now see this diagram. See, this x plus y plus z plus w are external angles. Okay. And see here it is given. This angle is not given here, but we have marked here n. Okay. Now using angle sum property of quadrilateral, first we will find this angle. So angle sum property of quadrilateral means what? All the angles of the quadrilateral, sum of all the angles of a quadrilateral is equal to 360 degree. So see here, 60 plus 80 plus 120 plus n is equal to 360 degree. Okay. So this 60 plus 80 plus 120 is equal to 260 plus n is equal to 360. So n is equal to this 360 minus 260, that gives you 100. So this n is 100 degree. Okay. Now see this all angles you are having. Now we have to find this x plus y plus z plus w. Now see, all these are linear pairs. Okay. So see, angle z plus angle 60 is equal to 180 degree. That is linear pair of angles. So angle z is 180 minus 60, that is 120 degree. Now see, angle y plus angle 80 is equal to 180 degree. That is also by linear pair of angles. So angle y is 180 minus 80, that is 100 degree. In similar way, angle x plus 120 degree is equal to 180 degree. That is angle x is equal to 180 minus 120, that gives you 60 degree. And lastly, angle w plus this 100 is equal to 180 degree. Same by linear pair of angles. So angle w is equal to 180 minus 100, that is 80 degree. So next, what we have to find? X plus y plus z plus w is equal to x is 60 plus y is 100 plus z is 120 and plus w is 80, that is 360 degree. So the sum of all the exterior angles is 360 degree. Okay. Up till now we have seen angle sum property for quadrilateral. Okay. Now we will see sum of measure of exterior angles of polygon. Now it is given that sum of measure of exterior angle of any polygon is 360 degree. See, in last example we have seen, we have seen sum of exterior angle of polygon is 360 degree. Okay. So the remark is the sum of measure of external angle of any polygon means any sided polygon is 360 degree. Okay. Now let us start exercise 3.2. See question number 1. Find measure x. See where it is x? Yes, here it is. Here we have to find measure angle x. Okay. Now see, this is 90 degree. This is also 90 degree. But these angles are not given. So obvious it is by linear pair. If it is 90, then this is also 90. But still we will find. See, by linear pair, angle 1 plus 90 degree is equal to 180 degree. So angle 1 is 180 minus 90 is equal to 90. Similarly, angle 2 is also 90. Now see, this angle is given, this angle is given. Now see, since sum of measure of external angles of any polygon is 360, So we will add all this. 90 plus 60 plus 90 plus 70 plus x is equal to 360. That is x plus 310 is equal to 360. So x is equal to 360 minus 310. That is x is equal to 50 degree. Okay, so x is equal to 50 degree. See, don't get confused. The angle sum property of quadrilateral is 360. Okay, for four sided figure. For five sided figure it is 5 minus 2 into 180. That is angle sum property. Okay, for n sided polygon it is n minus 2 into 180 degree. And the sum of measure of external angles of any polygon is 360 degree. Now see next question. Find measure of each exterior angle of a regular polygon of 9 sides. Here what we have to do, first we will find each interior angle and then we will find exterior angle by linear pair. Okay, now see what is given here. Number of sides is given 9. So what is angle sum property for 9 sides? That is n minus 2 into 180 degree, means 9 minus 2 into 180 degree. That is 7 into 180 degree, which gives you 1260 degree. 160 degree. Okay, so what is the formula for each interior angle? Now see, we have to find each exterior angle. Okay, so first we have founded here angle sum property for 9 side polygon. Okay, so first we will find now each interior angle, that is equal to sum of interior angles. Okay, sum of all interior angles upon number of sides. So sum of interior angles is 1260 degree upon number of side is 9, so which gives you 140 degree. So each interior angle is 140 degree, but we want to find exterior angle. Okay, interior angle and exterior angle are in the linear pair, so each exterior angle is 180 degree minus 140 degree, that gives you 40 degree. Okay, or this you can solve in different way also. What you have told here, find a measure of each exterior angle of a regular polygon of 9 sides. Okay, means you know that the measure of exterior angle of any polygon is 360 degree. Okay, we will see next example in another way. See, here also they have told find the measure of each exterior angle of a regular polygon of 15 sides. See, we will see alternate method. We know that sum of measure of exterior angles of any polygon is 360 degree. Okay, means the sum of exterior angles is 360 degree and we want to find for each angle of 15 sides. So each exterior angle is equal to sum of exterior angles upon number of side. Sum of exterior angle is 360 degree and number of side is 15. So each exterior angle is 24 degree. So this example also you can solve in this manner. Okay, now see next question. Now see, how many sides does a regular polygon have if measure of an exterior angle is 224? See, read the question carefully. How many sides does a regular polygon have if measure of an exterior angle is 24? In previous question what was given? Sides was given and measure of exterior angle was asked. In this, sides is asked and measure of exterior angle is given. Now let us see how to solve this. See, this sum of exterior angle of polygon is 360. We know that each exterior angle is 24 degree. Okay, so number of side is sum of exterior angles upon each exterior angle. So what is sum of exterior angle? 360 and each exterior angle is 24. So which gives you 15. The regular polygon has 15 sides. Okay, now next, see next example. How many sides does a regular polygon have if each of its interior angle is 165 degree. Now see, don't get confused between these examples. See, in this example, in very previous, in question number second example, exterior angle was asked and number of sides of a polygon was given. Then in question number 3, side of a polygon is asked and exterior angle is given. Now here in question number 4, sides of a polygon is asked while interior angle is given. Okay, now see, each interior angle is 165 degree. Okay, means exterior angle will be in linear pair. So exterior angle is 180 degree minus 165 degree, that is 15 degree. So each exterior angle is 15 degree. So again we know that sum of exterior angle of a sum of exterior angles of a polygon is 360 degree. So number of side is equal to sum of exterior angles upon each exterior angle. So 360 degree upon 15 degree, which gives you 24. So thus regular polygon have 24 side. See, just go through this all examples very carefully, don't get confused. Okay.